take this off of me. Okay, I was gonna do it like, a cold, whatever this. That one was already falling off anyway. Oh, this one. Oh, this one dried. Ooh. Ooh. Look how nice that is. Oh my god. Oh my god. First off, we're hoping this cleansing balm is gonna work. And this might have stained my face. I'm not sure. Where's the cleansing stick, not balm? There it is. Yeah. I might take a shower after this. Oh my god. Y'all, let me just finish this. The fact that this area is kind of a little stained. This came off. Like, okay, I got most of it off. Cleansing time. I got most of it off. There's some under my eyes, stuff. I'm gonna go take a shower.